everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree. The last time I played Shut the Box, let's see if there's a date on it. So I know I haven't played Shut the Box any of this month and most of last year. I'm pretty sure I'll look back in my videos to see when the last time I actually played Shut the Box, and you probably be like, wow. So for blue, if I have the number, we'll color it blue, and if I don't get it, we will color it red and or put a red dot beside it and add them up. I did go ahead and take everything out of here. That way I don't lose the dice, because y'all know how Shut the Box is. So let's get started. So 5, 6, 7, and we can do just let's do 6 and 1. And what is that? I can't see. 8. So 5, 6, 7. Let's just do 8. Because I know how this game goes, and sometimes when you choose the little numbers, they come to bite you in your, you know. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And let's do it again. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness, no, not again, y'all. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we're done for. Let's see. 4 line is over with. I don't see any way, because 7 plus 2, that's 9. 9. 4, 5, 6. No, we're done. So 2. So we have 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness. We may end up having to do this the low income way. So let's see how much all the numbers equal up to now. So 9 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2. $22. Do I have $22? Let's see. I may have $22. 5, 10, 15, 22. So $22. Shall we play Shut the Box one more time? Yeah, I think we're going to do one more. And next time, depending on what the numbers may be, I may take that full number and divide it by 2. So colors are still the same. 5, 6, 7. Let's do 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do 8. 4, 5, 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll do 9 and 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I probably should have. Okay, yeah. Since I already have 6, 7, 8, and 9 covered, I'm going to take a dice away, because we only have 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 6. Ooh, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Now we just have a 3 and a 5. 4. Okay, we're done. We already have 4 covered, so 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need $8. $8. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 bucks. Let's play again. Let's see what happens. Colors are still the same. What is that? 3. So 3. 2, 3. Whew, thank goodness I didn't do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank goodness. Oh, now all the low numbers want to roll. That's crazy. There we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we need 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we are out. So we need 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, $26. Let's go ahead and divide that by 2. $13. Do have enough for that. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. And how much do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So $8 left. Shut the box guide all together. So shut the box got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, $43. That's crazy. Y'all, I love saving challenges. So $43, and let me just put it right here. That back in the photo album that Tess sent.